more than $7,400 profit in less than 30 days with a crypto trading bot called Eazybot. In my mind, the best trading bot out there. Today, I'm going to show you why I think this is the best trading bot out there and a must-have for every crypto enthusiast, and how it grew my Binance portfolio to more than $30,000. What's up, you guys, and welcome back to my channel for yet another Eazybot updated video. Before we jump right into it, keep in mind that I'm not a financial advisor and none of this is any kind of financial advice. Please make your own due diligence and your own research before you jump into any kind of investment. Now, as I said, with Eazybot, we now have more than $30,000 worth of cryptos allocated in our Binance account. Almost all of it is connected through our Eazybot trading software. In the last 30 days, it profited us more than $7,402. Absolutely amazing. But today, I'm not only willing to show you the big profit numbers, I want to show you the most crucial thing that Eazybot stands for: consistent profits trading cryptocurrency, no matter if the price goes up or goes down. For this, I looked up two specific coins and bots. It's the Ethereum Classic USDT bot and the Filecoin USDT bot. You see right here. Actually, my Ethereum Classic bot currently is inactive. Why? I had this bot on the single session, so after it closes the current trade with a profit, it actually shuts it down itself. Why I did that? Because I already have another Ethereum Classic bot running. And this was deep into a session because Ethereum Classic dropped massively in price throughout the last months and years. And I want to show you how Eazybot made big profits even in very bearish conditions. So let's jump right into it. And here we are inside our trading settings with the Ethereum Classic bot. I opened this bot on August 17th, 2022, so 16 months ago. The last trading session opened on September 15, 2022, so 14 months ago, and actually closed down on 10th of November 2023, so 4 days ago. This trading session was running for over 430 days. Let's go over to CoinMarketCap and check out the price chart of Ethereum Classic in this time frame from 15th September 2022 to 10th of November 2023. And as we can see, it's not looking good for Ethereum Classic. Actually, this day, September 15th, marked the start of very bearish conditions for Ethereum Classic. It started at $39 and went all the way down to $15 3 months later, around Christmas time in 2022. Now, how can this bot profit even in those conditions? You see, the price dropped more than 70%, and even when we closed it down, it was still at $21, so almost 50% lower than our initial buy-in price. And to really understand how Eazybot works and even profits in those kind of conditions, you really need an in-depth explanation of how all individual covers work. But to cut it short, Eazybot utilizes a very complicated and thought through strategy using DCA, grid, and martingale in an all-in-one strategy to in the end come out on top, no matter if the market goes up, down, or sideways. So in this case, all those little upward spikes you see here, Eazybot used to make a little trading profit, kept a percentage of that to build up your stack of profit, and another percentage to lower the average price from $39 all the way down, so we could sell the whole trade in the end at a price point of $21.36. Throughout those 430 days of this trading session, the bot profited $370. And those $370 were split up in $95 session profit. Those $95 is what we pocketed in the end, so almost 10% profit. The other $275 it used to lower the average price from $39 to $21. Amazing, amazing stuff. So while the cryptocurrency market crashed more than 50%, we profited 10%. This is the power of Eazybot, guys. If you want to check out Eazybot yourself, there's a link down below in the description. Go check that out And after you're signing up, you will immediately get contacted by me via mail and receive a step-by-step introduction to Eazybot and how to set up your crypto exchange like Binance or KuCoin and connect it to your Eazybot trading bots. Another huge example I want to show you for the power of Eazybot is our Filecoin USDT bot. You see, the Filecoin USDT bot has $1,000 assigned capital and already profited more than $400. So this bot is up more than 40%. I opened this up on August 17th, 2022. So on the same day, I also opened up my Ethereum Classic bot. So this bot is also working for 440 days now, give or take. Now, let's check the Filecoin chart from August 17th, 2022 to today, November 14th, 2023. And also here, guys, you can see there is a lot of red. So Filecoin was one single day in the greens, and the rest of it is almost downhill all the time. From $8.42, it dropped all the way down to $3, also around Christmas time, and now stands at about $5.01. So still 40% lower than our initial buy-in price. In our bot section, we can see that the last sell of the whole trade was yesterday around 12 p.m. So we have no floating loss attached to this bot. This is all clear profit. We have 40% profit while the coin dropped 40% in price. Absolutely ridiculous. And that's exactly why I think Eazybot will come out on top in any kind of market conditions. I'm very hyped up for the coming bull run and feel like those $30,000 in my Binance account will explode. Higher 5 figures, maybe even 6 figures in the near future. If you're interested in it and want to know more about Eazybot, feel free to contact me. And as you guys know, if you want to jump right into it, there's a link down below. And happy profits. We see you guys on the next one. Bye-bye.